Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Carla, and in today's video we are diving into an exciting topic, which is how you can score 15,000 overnight with Navy Federal Premier credit card, the Visa Flagship reward card. If you have been following my Navy Federal journey or videos, you know this credit card is a game changer. And today I'm going to break down exactly how you can get approved and maximize your credit limit. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and click the notification bell so you don't miss out any future tips and strategies. Also, be sure to join my free VIP group. I will leave the link in the description box below. Now let's get into it. So if you are aiming to get $50,000 overnight or more, stick around because we are going to cover everything you need to know about Navy Federal Navy Federal's Visa Flagship Reward Card. This card is Navy Federal's top tier credit card, offering incredible benefits and high credit limits. First things first, you need to become a member of Navy Federal Credit Union. I have a video showing you exactly how you can become a member, including some backdoor hacks and things like that. But once you are in, the journey to security that 50,000 plus credit limit can begin. So there are two main paths that you can take to get to this point. You can either do a product change from an existing Navy Federal credit card, or you can apply directly for a new Visa Flagship reward card from scratch. So I will walk you through both options, how you can make the most of this powerful card. One of the first things that you can do is you can decide if you have a personal account with them, maybe you can decide upgrade from the personal account to the one that is Flagship checking account. This account requires a minimum of $1,500, but the benefits are worth it. After getting this account or upgrading your current account, you can go after your Visa Flag rewards card and also request a credit limit increase, and you can do this always. You can do this between 91 and 100 days. That way you can increase your limit consistently. But initially what I will suggest you is to have money in your account. So let's say, I don't know, just keep growing your account, have a few $1,000s in that account. That way they can see that your account is growing, the funds are growing, and you can go from there. So if they see that, they will connect it and your proof will increase. So in this case, I can add some value to this is you can add a $5,000 overdraft protection credit line in case something happened to your account, you are covered. So that way you can get approved faster in the credit for a higher credit limit. Now, as a new applicant, meaning if you don't have any credit card yet, or you want to keep your existing credit card and apply for the Flagship reward card, here is what you need to do. Start by using Navy Federal's pre-approval tool on their website. This tool performs a soft pull on your credit, allow you to see which credit card you are eligible for without affecting your credit score. If you are eligible, apply for the card using the late night hack. Basically, this hack is applying after midnight when the algorithm is more likely to approve you before the underwriters go to work. This method has helped many people secure higher limits. Let's talk eligibility. You will need a Navy Federal membership and a credit score of at least 680 to have the best chances of approval. Remember, Navy Federal pull your FICO 9 score, which doesn't factor any medical bills. So don't worry if those are affecting your credit. Some factors that can help your approval odds include already having a 15,000 credit line on another card, a flagship checking account, a pledge loan with Navy Federal, or an overdraft protection credit line, something like that. They need to see that you are creditworthy, that you are reliable, that they can trust lending you money. Now onto the rewards. The minimum credit limit for this credit card is $5,000, but you can get approved for up to $80,000. To get closer to that $80,000 mark or limit, make sure you having a significant balance in your checking account. That way they can see this heavy amount in your account, and that it's built your trustworthiness. Currently, if you get approved, you can earn, as you can see here, you can earn 40,000 bonus point, which the value is $400 when you spend $3,500 within the 90 days that you open the new Flagship account or credit card. Plus, you will score a year of a free Amazon Prime, which the value is $139. So it's like you have a lot of benefit with this, so you can consider this, and you have much more. So like I mentioned, this card is packed with benefits. You will earn 3 points on travel purchases and 2 points on everything else. You will also get $100 in statement credit for global entry or TSA pre-check, which is perfect for frequent travelers. While the card does have $49 annual fee, this is often waived for the first year. So double check when you apply. With all of these rewards and benefit, it's easy to see why this card is so valuable. I mean, it's really worth it to have this card. With that being said, how you can get 15,000 plus overnight with Navy Federal Visa Flagship Reward Card, and there you have it. How you can get 50,000 plus overnight with Navy Federal Visa Flagship Reward Card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to check out my free VIP group. I will leave the link in the description box below. Let's build a community together and work toward financial freedom. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.